Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M18 FUEL 16-inch chainsaw. You're probably used to, a Stihl, a Husqvarna, or anything else, or even a corded, but this is Milwaukee's cordless version of a 16-inch chainsaw, and it's a beast. It probably has everything that you're used to with a gas-powered chainsaw. You got your typical chain tightening mechanism here. There's your carriage for a battery. This will fit all the way up to a 12-volt battery, so the biggest one that Milwaukee makes. Here you have a safety lockout, so that way you can't pull the trigger and start it without pushing the safety. And it does have a variable speed trigger as well. Here's your normal unlock and then lock for the bar. On this side, we have the oil reservoir, and it has a clear tube as well, so that way you can see how much oil is left in the chainsaw itself. On this bottom side, we have the stem, so that way you can tighten the bar on the job. That way you don't have to carry it around all the time. This thing will do 150 cuts in a 6x6 Milwaukee claim, so has plenty of capacity for smaller logs and also larger logs for whatever job you have. So we do have this in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton in all of our stores. If you guys want to stop by and check it out, we have it in stock. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. It just alerts you whenever we post new videos. Also, comment on Facebook or YouTube which tool you want to see me do next, and be entered into a giveaway where you get a free Milwaukee 5.0 M18 battery, and also your choice of any color of the hats that we have. We love to hear your guys' comments. We love to see your guys' interactions on our videos, so make sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you next time.